Hello dear friends, install firewall on your Linux to secure your Linux. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Then let's start to install a firewall on Linux. Okay, open your terminal and install it by command sudo apt-get install gufw. This is a graphical application for UFW, the uncomplicated firewall, and it's so easy to use. It's installed, and from application menu just you can search it gufw and it's here. Run gufw, enter your super user password and wait some seconds. Okay, it's run and it's here. Let me minimize this, and okay, just you need to make it enable from here in status. Okay, now your system is protected from all of the incoming requests to your Linux. So it's done. But if you want to add new rules from this tab, you can make new rules for yourself. Here there are three profiles: home, public and office. In public, all of the incoming requests are rejected, but in home or office they are denied, and outgoing they are all allowed, that you can deny them too. Now I want to create a rule from here. Click on this plus. From here you can choose an application and make a rule for its application, but from this tab simple you can create a port rule. So I want to enable SSH in my system. I name it SSH. Direction in and out, both of them I want, and protection TCP and UDP I want to be, and its port is 22. Click on add and this rule is added and it's here. If you don't want these rules, just you can select them and remove them from here. Okay, they are removed and firewall is enabled, and being enabled, this firewall can protect your security in Linux. That's a good choice. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel if this video was helpful and watch the other videos. Thanks.